In this demo, we are going to retrieve an itinerary and manage it. Click on Saved Itineraries to find all the itineraries built. Once you've selected an itinerary, you can see all the travel details and the mapping of each travel item. By swiping left, you can delete a travel item. You can use Google Maps to add your desired hotel, activity or restaurant. Go into Google Maps, find your hotel, activity or restaurant and save the Google Maps link. Go into Alfred and paste the link. Select the time you want to go there and click Save. When you click the car icon on the itinerary, you can also open up Google Maps for a detailed direction, or you can open up any installed ride-hailing app to book your ride.